You are watching my YouTube channel, Dr. Raja Nadeem Sajjad Official. Please do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon button so you will receive all my latest videos. I'm going to share a very important news with you. I received my COVID vaccine, first dose of COVID vaccine yesterday. I am perfectly all right. There are no side effects as reported by the manufacturer. Pain on the injection site, or some people experience headache or fever. I am perfectly all right. This vaccine is very important, not only to fight against coronavirus infection, but also save human lives. People who are at risk of suffering with severe coronavirus infection, for example, diabetic patient with high blood pressure or heart disease, cancer patients, elderly patients, they should discuss with their GP and receive vaccine because it's very important. It produces immunity and fight against whenever coronavirus enters into the body, so the antibodies fight against the virus. When this coronavirus pandemic will be under control, then our, of course, economies will flourish. Why do we need to receive coronavirus vaccine? So first of all, it is good for ourselves. For example, I'm a healthcare professional. So I really don't want to pass this virus to my patients, to my co-workers, or patients' attendants. It is good for me, but it is good for my family members, because by doing so, I will protect my family members as well. I will protect my friends. I will protect my society. This coronavirus pandemic is really causing damage. People are getting sick. A lot of deaths, 1.8 million deaths, more than even that, have been reported due to this pandemic, during this pandemic. We will reduce burden on our health system. Please don't believe in any conspiracy theory. There is no chip or no animal products in this vaccine. If someone wants to introduce any chip in your body, they can introduce in any injection, in any paracetamol tablet, even in your drinking water. They don't need to spend $1 billion to manufacture these vaccines. These vaccines are manufactured with our money to fight against coronavirus pandemic and save human lives. Thank you very much for watching this video.